types of grips, the forehand grip and the backhand grip. First, the forehand grip. It is used when the shuttlecock is on the same side as your racket. For the forehand grip, you must hold the racket like an axe, just like this. And don't grip it too tightly, make it a bit looser, just like this. Remember, the forehand grip's power comes from the index finger. Second, the backhand grip. This grip is used when the shuttlecock is on the backhand side of the body. For the backhand grip, you must hold the racket just like you're doing a thumbs up sign, just like this. And don't hold it too high or too low, just in the middle. Stay safe and thank you for watching.
Oh, you said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. You say take me home. I said no, Perignon. You said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. No, 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 no.